Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 students. Dear students, our today's topic is Assignment 3, Science Assignment 3. This is 12-week assignment. Here is the topic. Our today's topic is Science Assignment 3 number, and this is lecture number 3. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, look at here. This is your assignment task. Here is written. This is based on chapter 3, External Morphology of Plants. And here is lesson modification of main root, and lesson 2 and 4 modified adventitious roots. And your assignment task is collect radish, turnip, a piece of ginger, a piece of raw turmeric, onion, garlic, sweet potato, and draw a level diagram by following their types of roots, stems, and note down. Give logic that support your statements. And instructions here is need to take ideas about modified roots and stems. For this assignment, students, look at here. Here is written. Collect radish. You have to collect radish, turnip, a piece of ginger, a piece of raw turmeric, onion, garlic, sweet potato at your home, and please observe these all the things. And then you will draw level diagram and by following their types of roots, stems, and note down them. And look at here, come to here. I have written assignment for you, and remember that don't copy from my assignment. This is a demo writing for you, for giving you idea. And I have written here the root and stem of the plants mentioned in the stem are shown with level diagram below. First one here is radish. Look at here, I have drawn here a radish figure. Label diagram of radish is given below, and I have labeled here this radish. Here is leaf, here is short stem, and this whole thing is main root. This is modified main root. And then I have written here characteristics, and you have to write characteristics of this figure. Characteristics of radish here is these roots store food and become thick and juicy. The middle portion of this root is thick and two ends are gradually tapering. Students, I have written these characteristics from your book. You can take help from your book. You can write from there also. And look at here, this is 2 number turnip. This is 2 number is turnip. Level diagram of turnip is given below, and look at here, I have drawn here turnip figure, and I have also labeled here. Here is leaf, here is short stem, and whole things is main root. This is also a modified main root. And I have written here characteristics of turnip. In this case, upper portion of the root becomes rounded due to storage of food. Like this way, you will draw this diagram and write characteristics, or you can write at first characteristics and then you will write the level diagram next. Look at here, now 3 number, a piece of ginger. Look at here, here is a piece of ginger. Label diagram of ginger is given below. Look at here, I have drawn here ginger, and here is level is node, and between 2 node here is internode, and this one is scale leaf, and here is bud. And write you have to write down the figure name also, a piece of ginger. And look at here, here is characteristics. Look at here, I didn't write here characteristics. You will write these characteristics by yourself. Now 4 number was a piece of raw turmeric, and here is, look at here, I didn't draw here turmeric because this turmeric and ginger are the same rhizome type stem. They are modified stem. I hope you will able to draw this turmeric figure, and also you have to write the characteristics of turmeric by yourself. Students, now here is 5 number onion. Label diagram of onion is given below. I have drawn here onion picture. Here is juicy scale leaves. Look at here. Here is juicy scaly leaves, and here is apical bud. Inside this juicy scaly leaf, here is apical bud, here is auxiliary bud, and here is short stem, and here is root. You can label these also, and you have to write down the figure name. And look at here, I didn't write here the characteristics of onion. This is bulb type stem. You will write these characteristics by yourself. Now look at here, 6 number garlic. Garlic label diagram and characteristics you have to write and draw by yourself also. And 7 number I have drawn here, sweet potato. And students, garlic and onion are the same types of modified stem. 7 number is sweet potato. Label diagram of sweet potato is given below. Here is, I have labeled here node, and this one is stem, and this one is tuber. And students, this is modified root. This is one kind of modified root. Sweet potato is one kind of modified root, and you have to write down the figure name also. Here is figure name is sweet potato. Draw this picture properly and then name, write down their figure name also. And here is characteristics of sweet potato is sweet potato root swelled up irregularly due to storage of food, which is known as tubercular root. Students, I hope you will able to draw this figure, and you will write all characteristics of this figure also. And your this assignment 3 submission date is 2 September 2021. Students, I hope you have understood all of this assignment topic, and do your assignment properly and submit your assignment 3 to September, this date, your due date. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.